mind.
Do I have a chin? I'm getting a car wash.
Haley's getting a car wash. We're getting a car wash for Haley, then we're gonna go get my car, and then get a car wash for me. We vacuumed the insides of our cars. Everything's clean.
Used some cleaning supplies for the dash. I left my winter mats in, but
Yeah.
what the fuck is that sound? I don't know,
Anyways.
I'm scared. This is the first time I've brought in one of my cars through a car wash. Usually I just do it in the driveway. Or my dad will do it for me.
The first car wash experience for the Jeep.
Yeah, seriously, it's scary. I hope my doors don't come off. Too much pressure, it fucking knocks the bolts out.
Imagine.
No! No!
Take exit 126 on.
Oh no! Oh shit.
So, believe it or not, mid-April, we just came back from Montana's.
April 17th, and it is snowing out.
And it's cold.
Yeah, it's really cold. I don't know if this is gonna... 3 degrees.
And we decided today's the day that we were gonna go shopping in Ottawa, so we did a little road trip and
Mini roadie, bought some stuff for Las Vegas.
the most stressful part about this trip is that you don't have winter tires. But yeah, Haley bought stuff for Vegas.
I bought a new strapless bra. A haul. We should do a haul.
We should.
I should do a haul when I get home. Oh, yeah,
Like
let's
this
do-
if you guys want to see a
like
haul.
this video right here if you want to see what we bought in Ottawa today haul.
All right.
Anyways, it's shitty out. We're gonna drive. We're going to see my friend Hannah. And yeah, look at my hoe hoops. Ooh.
Hoe hoops. All
It
right.
got caught on one of the shirts in the change room. I was like, ow!
That's the
I had to take them out.
tea.
That. Oh, it went back.
Take exit 121A onto Bronson Avenue.
Shut up, lady!
Oh, she wants you to take Bronson now.
Wow, what a shit show. No winter tires. In the snow. Shit. Is this Bronson? I can't see.
No, it's
So that's
still
Parkdale.
2.8 kilometers. The traffic's not as bad right now, but if you look over there,
Yeah, I don't
Like,
want
it
to
really sucks
I don't
to
want to
be-
be going west.
yeah, if you're going westbound, it sucks. But eastbound's okay.
Eastbound's not bad. Why is it snowing? You picked the wrong day to wear Converse. Oh my god.
Oh, it's heated. It's heated.
Just trying to pay for my damn ticket.
No wonder I cough like that.